In the Quran, وَالَّذِينَ إِذَا فَعَلُوا فَاحِشَةً أَوْ ظَلَمُوا أَنفُسَهُمْ ذكروا الله فاستغفروا لذنوبهم ومن يغفر الذنوب إلا الله ولم يصروا على ما فعلوا وهم يعلمون. So Allah says in the Quran, and those who when they do an act of indecency, sinful behavior, dirty, indecent acts, or they oppress themselves by doing sinful acts from other types of sins, they remember Allah. Immediately when they remember Allah, they seek Allah's forgiveness for their sins. And who is there other than Allah that forgives sins? No one other than Allah has the power and the right to forgive sins, on one condition, that they do not insist on purposefully repeating again and again those sins. وَهُمْ يَعْلَمُونَ, while they know that they are sinful.